In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Mic on Discord on Microsoft Edge. If your friends can't hear you on Discord while you're using Microsoft Edge, the most common reason is that the browser hasn't been told to let Discord use your microphone. We're going to fix that quickly by adjusting a single site permission in Edge, and then we'll confirm everything is working. First, open Discord in the Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure you're on the main Discord page where you normally chat or join voice channels. With the page open, look to the very top of the window in the address bar. On the left side of the website address, you'll see a small lock icon. This lock controls security and permissions for the site you're currently on. Click that lock icon. A small menu will appear with options related to the site. From that menu, choose permissions for this site. This opens Edge's site-specific controls so you can decide exactly what Discord is allowed to access. You'll now see a list of permissions tied to Discord. This is where Edge lists things like notifications, camera, and microphone. Find microphone in that list. If it's set to block or ask, switch it to allow. Setting it to allow tells Edge it's okay for Discord to use your mic when you're on this site. This change only applies to Discord and Edge, and it helps ensure your browser isn't silently preventing audio from getting through. Once you've set the microphone permission to allow, return to your Discord tab. In many cases, that's all you need. Speak into your mic and test it the same way you normally would in Discord. You might notice the mic icon showing activity, or hear yourself if you're using a voice test or talking in a channel. If Edge displays a quick prompt to reload or apply changes, let it refresh so the new permission takes effect. If you still don't hear anything, double-check that your physical microphone is connected and not muted on the device itself, and that you're speaking close enough for it to pick up your voice. Also remember that this permission change is at the browser level. It simply opens the door so Discord can access your mic. With that door open, Discord can receive your audio as expected. And that's it. By opening Discord in Edge, using the lock icon in the address bar, selecting permissions for this site, and allowing the microphone permission, you've enabled your mic for Discord in Microsoft Edge. Now go back to Discord and test your mic, and there you go. That's all.